All right, just FYI. So if you are part of social media, for example, Facebook, any cruise you on, look up that cruise, that ship, and those dates, and you will more than likely will find a Facebook group that has been started by somebody, and then you get to meet and get familiar with some of those Facebook group members who will be cruising with you. So I've met a couple different members of that group. It's the NCL Aqua 9th to the 16th group. Matter of fact, I'm out here smoking with a gentleman on that side. James, you know, yeah, man, he's a cool dude.
How's it going, guys?
So yeah, and I'll put some pictures up of some of the admin of the group, and then another young lady, Amanda. She was the one hiding ducks. Now she gave me a duck, but I'm still determined to find some of the ducks that she's hitting. I like the crew duck, man. All right, so finally, I found my duck. Y'all ain't gonna believe this one. Here it is, right here. So, found my first duck. So this is cool. We got my duck. That's one down. And of course, in true DJ Skills fashion, found me another duck. You know what I mean? So that's two, plus the one that was given to me from a baddie. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Got me another duck. Yeah, definitely keep that in mind. Look up whatever cruise that you're on and the dates on Facebook search bar, and something more likely is going to pop up. And then, like I said, you get to meet and get familiar with some of the members and cruisers who are also going to be on that stage. What's up, boss?